Today I'm going to show you how to do the Demi method makeup, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just 4 easy steps. Step 1 with Demi is all about restoring or balancing your skin tone. It's much easier to add a little bit of dark in the lighter areas of your face than to completely brighten all of the dark points in your face. So you can see I'm using 2 different colors here, a neutral red and a neutral violet, to fill in and add some color to areas that are more palish yellow or palish green looking. Step number 2 is not necessary, but something I like to do is to use those same toning shades to add just a little bit more definition like a contour. Step number 3 is blush, and yes, I'm doing this all before under eyes and covering dark spots or acne. You'll realize you really don't have as much to cover as you think. And the final step, step number 4, is to filter or remove unwanted distractions. So now I am balancing the color around my eyes with a smaller brush. You can see that I'm adding a little bit of a neutral red into those greenish areas. I'm using a neutral yellow -1 in that little purple pocket underneath my eye here. And I sit in front of a window and just kind of move my head around so I can see the shadows and see where those distracting points are. Right here, I'm taking an orange 3 just to that area where that bag line is, or hollow line, I should say. Again, you'll notice I'm using the tiniest amount of product, and look at how my under eyes just look so smooth. Can't even see any makeup, and it's just balancing all of this color in my skin. Balancing the eyes is also a big part of doing the eyes. So I'm just using a neutral violet +1 here, and I'm just adding it around the eyes and along the lash line. The last step of filtering is to remove acne. Now, most acne looks red, I know, and people will say you need a green, but usually it's the excess purple and blue that's coming through. So I use yellow orange 1 on reddish looking acne, and then as acne starts to fade and looks more like a scar, it gets more blue in it. So now I'm just using an orange 1 and an orange 3, which just means a darker orange. Then I add this balm just for some dewy glow on the skin, and this is it. Look at how good this is. Check out this before and after.